Probably the most difficult part of Malayalam learning is not necessarily the writing system. That affects only people who want to read and write Malayalam. But the ones who want to just communicate in words with the people, the talking Malayalam is what really gives more trouble to the hearers. Here, the blame or the should goes to the Platte, the dialects in Kerala. Suppose somebody is listening, somebody talking Malayalam in Trivandrum, south near Kanyakumari, and then he moves to Angamali, Ernakulam area, and then to Chalakudi, Trichure, and further north. Whatever you hear, for example, I am going, ഞാൻ പോവുകയാണ്. That is the so-called writing Malayalam, പോവുകയാണ്. And you may hear very close, പോവുകയാണ്, so clearly spoken in South India, in South Kerala, near Trivandrum also, പോവുകയാണ്, ഞാൻ പോവുകയാണ്. But suppose you move from Angamali to Chalakudi, it takes a different tone. The same I am going, ഞാൻ പോവുകയാണ് becomes ഞാൻ പോവാണ്. The പോവുകയാണ് becomes പോവാണ്. And the saying gets even more shorter when you move further north. ഞാൻ പോവാണ്. And not only that, even the ra becomes ya in the northern Malayalam. When you notice these things, Malayalam becomes half learned.